Good morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I've come to discuss the numerical section of this chapter, Physical Quantities and Measurement chapter, according to ICSE syllabus class 8. Okay, so I started this numericals in my last video. I'm going to continue with that, and almost I think I will finish today itself this chapter. Okay, so the first one, which for today, is calculate the volume of wood of mass 6000 kg when density of wood is 0.8 grams per centimeter cube. See, mass is given as 6000 kg, or you can say 6000 into 10 to the power 3 grams. Okay, and density is given as 0.8 grams per centimeter cube. So volume will be mass by density. Okay, so it will be 6 into 10 to the power 6 by 0.8, or you can say 6 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 by 8. So that gives us 7 lakhs 50,000. I mean 75 lakhs 75 lakhs centimeter cube, or you can say 7.5 meter cube. Okay, 7.5 meter cube. Next we come to volume of the metal cube is 200 centimeter cube. If the density of metal cube is 7.5 grams per centimeter cube, find the mass of the metal in kilogram. Okay, so for this, volume is given as 200 centimeter cube and density is 7.5 grams per centimeter cube. So mass will be multiplying density with volume, that is D into V. That becomes 7.5 into 200, that gives us 1500 grams, or you can say 1.5 kgs. Next, an empty density bottle weighs 22 kg. When filled completely with water, it weighs 50 grams. When filled completely with brine solution, it weighs 54 grams. Calculate the volume of the density bottle and density of brine solution. See, mass of the empty bottle, that is given as 22 grams, and mass of the empty bottle with water, when it is filled with water, that gives us 50 grams, and mass of the bottle, that is empty bottle, when it is filled with brine solution, that becomes 54 grams. So mass of only water is 50 grams minus 22 grams, that is empty bottle plus water minus the empty bottle gives us the mass of the only water, that is 28 grams. We know that 1 gram of water is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of only water will be 28 centimeter cube, as 28 grams of water will be 28 centimeter cube. Now volume of the bottle will be equal to volume of only water, that is 28 centimeter cube. Now mass of the only brine solution, that is 54 minus 22, that is 32 grams. Okay, so density of brine solution will be mass by volume, that will become to 32 grams by 28, that is 1.14 grams per centimeter cube. Next we come to the volume of a piece of metal is 50 centimeter cube, and if the density of the metal is 2.5 grams per centimeter cube, find the mass of the metal. See, volume is given 50 centimeter cube, density 2.5 grams per centimeter cube. So mass will be density into volume, that gives to 125 grams. Okay. Then the density of air is 1.28 grams per liter. Express it in grams per centimeter cube and kg per meter cube. See, 1 gram per liter, that is 0.001 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so dividing m by v by 1000. Okay, therefore 1.28 grams per liter, it will be 0.00128 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so it's given, it's calculated as 1 gram per liter is 0.001 grams per centimeter cube. So 1.28 grams per liter will be 0.00128 grams per centimeter cube. Then 1 gram per centimeter cube is 1000 kg per meter cube, so that will be 0.00128 grams per centimeter cube will be equal to 1.28 kg per meter cube. Okay, The dimension of a hall are 10 meters into 7 meters into 5 meters. Okay, so if the density of air is 1.11 kg per meter cube, find the mass of the air in the hall. Volume will be, that is given as 10 into 7 into 5, that will be equal to 350 meter cube, and density is given as 1.11 kg per meter cube. So mass will be density into volume, that gives us 388.5 kgs. Now density of aluminium is given as 2.7 grams per centimeter cube, and express it in kg per meter cube. So 2.7 grams per centimeter cube will multiplied by 1000. 2.7 multiplied by 1000 gives us to 2700 kg per meter cube. Calculate the density of a solid from the following data. Mass of the solid is 72 grams. Initial volume of water is measured in cylinder is equal to 24 milliliters. Final volume of water when a solid is completely immersed in water, that is 42 ml. So volume of the solid will be equal to final volume minus initial volume. So final volume is 42, initial is 24. So that gives us to 18 milliliter or 18 centimeter cube. Then mass of the solid is given 72 grams. So density is equal to mass by volume, that is 72 by 18, that is 4 grams per centimeter cube. Next we come to the mass of an empty density bottle is 21.8 grams. When filled with water it is 41.8 grams. When filled with liquid, it is completely filled with liquid, that it gives to 40.6 grams. Find the volume of the density bottle and relative density of the liquid. See, mass of the empty bottle, that is given as 21.8, and when the empty bottle is filled with water, so empty bottle plus water becomes 41.8 grams. Then when the empty bottle is filled with liquid, then empty bottle plus liquid, that gives us to 40.6 grams. So mass of only water will be 41.8 minus 21.8, that is 20 grams. And mass of only liquid will be 40.6 minus 21.8, that gives to 18.8 grams. As we know that 1 gram of water is equal to 1 centimeter cube, so volume of only water will be 20 centimeter cube, as 20 grams of water will be equal to 20 centimeter cube. So the volume of the bottle will be is equal to volume of water, that will be equal to 20 centimeter cube, and density will be equal to mass by volume, that is 18.8 by 20, that is equal to 0.94 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, and so RD, that is relative density, will be equal to 0.94. Okay, without any unit, because it's a pure ratio, so it has no unit, 0.94. Okay, then the mass of an empty density bottle is 30 grams. It is 75 grams when completely filled with water, and when it is 65 grams when completely filled with the liquid. Find the volume of the liquid density bottle and density of the liquid and relative density of the liquid. See, mass of the empty bottle will be equal to 30 grams. Mass of empty bottle plus water 75. Empty bottle plus liquid will be 65. So mass of only water will be 75 minus 30, that gives to 45 grams. So we know that 1 gram of water is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 45 grams of water will be equal to 45 centimeter cube. So volume of only water will be 45 centimeter cube, and as we know that volume of a bottle is equal to volume of the water, so volume of the bottle will be equal to 45 centimeter cube. Now density is equal to mass by volume. So mass of only liquid is 65 minus 30, that is equal to 35 grams. Okay, and therefore the density is equal to 35 grams, that is mass by volume. Volume is 45, that gives to 0.77 grams per centimeter cube, and RD, that is relative density, is equal to 0.77 without any unit. Okay, so this comes to the end of this chapter, this physical quantities and measurement chapter. Please go through this, through the question answer series, as well as through the text videos. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box, and hope you like the video. If you have liked it, please do share with your friends and press the like button. And if you are a new viewer to my channel or not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Okay, thank you.